Today's class I am going to teach about how to write the Verilog HDL code for 1:4 demux. So before I start to write the program, first I recall the term what is demux. So demux in the sense it's a one input and many output device. It has a two selection lines. So based on the selection line, the input value is connected to output. So first I draw the block diagram. So 1:4 demux. Has only one input, data in. Then it produces the four outputs, that is output namely called as A, B, C, D. Then these two lines are called as selection line S0 and S1. So based on the selection line, the input signal is connected to output. For example, so this one S1 is not 0 0 D in equal to A. So data in is connected to A. 0 1 D in connect to B. 1 0 D in connect to C. 1 1 D in connect to D. So this is the selection line. So it has a two selection line. It make a four combinations of input 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Based on the selection line value, the input is connected to output. For example, A or B or C. Based on the selection line, it may change. So now I am going to write the Verilog HDL code. So as usual, first write module. Then module name is demux 1 to 4. So demux 1 to 4 is the module. Then within a bracket mention the instantiation. So here D in comma selection line A comma B comma C comma D. So these are the variables used in the block diagram. So D in data in selection line A comma B comma C comma D. So these four variable considered as output variable. These two considered as a input variable. So now come to declaration part. So input D in. So data in is the input and another input. So selection line represent in vector format 1:0 SEL. Then output rich A comma B comma C comma D. So this four variable is the output variable that declares a rich. Then always at star. So this star represent variables. So all the variables. Then always at begin. So begin the operation. So here the operation is based on the selection line. If selection to tick B 0 0. So first condition is 0 0. Then begin A value data in P1 tick B, don't care any other values. C value 1 tick B, don't care, and D value 1 tick B, don't care. Then end. Then else if. Now go to second case. So second case, the selection line value S1 and S0 0 1. So selection line to tick B 0 1. Then begin. Now A value 1 tick B, don't care. B value data in C equal to 1 tick B, don't care. D 1 tick B, don't care. Then end. Then come to third selection line input 1 0. So else if selection line to tick B 1 0 begin. So 1 tick B, don't care. 1 tick B, don't care. Data in D equal to 1 tick B, don't care. Then END. So using this truth table, we can write the program. So last case, both the selection line values are 1 1. So else begin A 1 tick B, don't care. So B value 1 tick B, don't care. C value 1 tick B, don't care. D equal to D in, then end. So now all the conditions verified. So first condition is selection line value 0 0, then 0 1, then 1 0. Final one is 1 1. Then end the begin statement. So finally end module. So this is the simple program 1:4 demux using Verilog SQL. So first you write the block diagram, then you assign the input variable and output variable. After that you make the truth table. So based on the selection line only, the input value is connected to output. So selection line 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The corresponding cases the input value is connected to output. As usual you write module name, then declaration of variables, in and out variables. Then using the if statement, I am writing the program. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thank you.